Alright, my phone works again. Blizzard 2010. Yeah. Okay, so I clocked out at 8:30. I gotta walk. Hopefully you can hear me with all this wind. I walked a mile and a half from Steinway and 19th Avenue to Steinway and Broadway. Took 2 trains, and I got off, and now I'm walking. I'm on Lefferts Boulevard. And that light turning red up there, that's Austin Street. Okay. It's about 20 degrees Fahrenheit. There's got to be at least 15, it's about 12 inches on the ground, 12, 15 inches. But with the 40-mile-an-hour winds, as you can tell, it's bad. So just. This guy can't go nowhere. There's about 8 buses at the train station, keeping people sheltered and warm because the buses are grounded citywide now. The underground trains are working. I don't know about all the elevator trains, but that bus right there is stuck, which is causing all this havoc. That sanitation truck is trying to do its best. And so yeah, and I'm walking. I should be home in about 10 minutes or less. And you know, we'll go from there. So, the MTA plows are coming out, try to save this bus. And yeah, all these buses, there's about 8 of them over here too, on Austin and Lefferts, on top of the 8 that are doing their thing. And that's about it. I'll check with you guys later.